Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to search for a job in Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up the website, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. So guys, now to be able to get started searching for jobs, we need to have an account. So we can do that by clicking in the upper right corner. Here is going to appear a button that says sign in. You want to go ahead and click on the sign in button, and there you want to go ahead and enter in your info if you already have an account, or if you do not already have an account guys, you can go ahead and create a new one. So after logging in, now you'll be back at this home page right here, which is the main page where you can see all the options you can access and you can get started with applying for jobs. So guys, this is the main tool right here that you'll be using for finding jobs. So what you can do guys, in this first bar right here, you can enter in what you're looking for. So maybe you're looking for a job that is hiring immediately, or something that is part-time or full-time, doesn't matter. Maybe you want to work at Amazon. I'm going to click on Amazon, and then you can select what area you want to search for. I'm going to select New York, and after entering the info that you want, go ahead and click on search. So after clicking on search, this is now going to go ahead and give us a list of all the jobs that are being offered in this area matching this criteria. So as you can see, here are these jobs. You can go ahead and select any job ad that you want, and then you can be able to see the info such as the payment, how much they pay, how much you work, and so on. And you can click on this option right here, apply on company site, to be able to be taken to their website where you can apply for the job, send your CV, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to get started with finding a job. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.